Welcome students, welcome to Topper IAS. So as part of our daily series, today also we will discuss few of the current affairs sourced from your Hindu as well as taken from PIB. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one is with respect to global warming. See, there is a report of IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. So it has come out with a assessment report. Okay, and the it is said. So we will see what are the various observation made by IPCC, and we will see what are the specific observation that are done which are important for India as a country. Okay, so the heading of the article is global warming may set off severe rain is what the article is saying. So various observations are like the temperature may rise by 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2030 itself. So you have a target under Paris Agreement that you are going to contain the increase in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius and even within 1.5 degrees Celsius by the end of this century. But you see, the observation says that there will be increase in 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2030 itself. And other observation is Indian Ocean is warming at a higher rate than other oceans. Okay, this is also observation. And current overall global warming trends are likely to lead to an increase in annual mean precipitation over India, with more severe rain expected over southern India in the coming decades. So this year itself you have seen that southern India has experienced overall 29% more rainfall than previous years. So with the climate change, global warming, this trend is going to be continuing. Okay, then other observation, the warming of the ocean would lead to rise in sea levels and leading to frequent and severe coastal flooding in low level areas. So this is important because you see India has around coastline of 7,517 kilometers, right? So rising sea level will obviously flood the coastal areas. So important cities also like Chennai, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Surat, Vishakhapatnam, these are all growth centers like. So these people, there also people are staying in large numbers. So almost 28.6 million people would be exposed to coastal flooding if the sea level rises by 50 centimeter. So what is the important observation is how it is going to be impacting India, particularly coastal areas and all those stuff. And monsoon extremes are also likely to increase over India and South Asia, while the frequency of short intense rainy days are expected to rise. So sudden downpour, torrential rainfalls, such kind of events are going to increase. Then model also indicates that there will be a lengthening of monsoon over India by the end of 21st century. So we have 4 months of monsoon now. So this period will likely to be extended over a period of this century. Okay, so coming to next article is with respect to edible oil mission. See, government is planning with a mission for national mission called National Mission on Edible Oil Palm. Okay, so this mission for a period of 5 years, and center is expecting to spend around 11,000 crore on this mission. So why are you coming out with a mission is to ensure self-sufficiency in edible oil production. Okay, so the proposal aims to reduce India's import dependence by almost from 60% to 45% by 24-25. And how do you reduce the import dependence? By increasing domestic edible oil production. So they are given the figures from 10.5 million tons to 18 million tons. So 70% growth target has been set up under the mission. Okay, see, large quantity of edible oil we are importing, so we want to reduce that importing dependency and rather produce within a nation, so that it will be also beneficial for the farmers. Okay, so that is what the aim of this mission. And prior to this mission we had something called National Mission on Oil Seeds and Oil Palm. So this was the previous mission, and there is a detail certain things given by the Agriculture Ministry with respect to this scheme. So what were the achievements of National Mission on Oil Seed and Oil Palm is like oil seed production had grown from 35% from 27.5 million tons in 2014-15 to 37.3 million tons by 2021. So this there is an increase in production, and also the oil seed acreage though increased only by 8.6% over the 6 years period, yield has increased by almost 20%. So these are the few factual stuff which have been saying the achievements of National Mission on Oil Seeds and Oil Palm, and government is now planning with the mission for another 5 years. to reduce the import dependency. So next one is with respect to government delaying collegium recommendations, say Supreme Court. So see what is the issue is what Supreme Court has said is Center has been delaying the recommendations of collegium for various months and almost a year. So this leads to decreasing strength of judges in the judiciary. So moment there is decreasing strength, obviously it will take longer period to address the case, right? So adjudication will take a longer process. So what court said is adequate number of judges is a necessity for early adjudication of disputes. So only if you take implement recommendations of collegium in a short period of time, so strength there will be increase in the strength of judges, so that the cases will be solved much sooner. So you should know certain basic things related to collegium system. So collegium system is a system of appointment and transfer of judges, and this system has evolved through various judgments of Supreme Court. See, we come across first judges, second judges, and third judges case. So the collegium system is a result of this outcome of the judgments in the cases, not by any act of parliament or nor there is any provision in the constitution. Okay, so what it consists of, so Supreme Court collegium is headed by CJI, and it comprises of 4 other senior most judges of the Supreme Court, and the judges of higher judiciary are appointed only through the collegium system. So this basic fact you should remember. In polity you will be dealing in detail how the collegium system has evolved and what are all the issues in the collegium system, so all those conflicts. So that's it for today. You can download the PDF of this document in the link that is shared below, and do download TopperAI's Institute app so that you get access to a number of these videos that will help you in your preparation. Okay, so that's it today. Thank you.